Hello guys, in this tutorial I will talking about do while. Do while in PHP is like for loops. The syntax is very easy. We start with do open brackets, do the do our code, execution code, while this our expression. Your expression here finished. This our do syntax. Let's start syntax. The syntax of do while. Let's create a variable x equal 5. We will echo x. We want to echo x if x equals 5. Do x equal 5. Let's see the result. Reload. We have the 5. It's for loop. It will echo 5 5 5 5 5. Infinity loop. Okay. Let's create if 5 if x less than 5. Less than 5. Creating reload. Let's close this. Okay. We have printed 5. This only do while. It was easy lesson. Thank you for watching. See you later.